question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. There's a harder set of reading writing questions, and it's a sentence completion, based on the question. And it says, Seminole Muscogee director Sterlin Harjo, blank television's tendency to situate native characters in distant past. This rejection, so the blank's going to mean rejection, we know, because it comes after the punctuation. And it says this, it's got to be some rejection he's already mentioned. So he rejects television's tendency to situate native characters in distant past. Repudiate means to reject. That's your correct answer. To see the full length video, go to YouTube, go to IB Masters Learning Center, click on a playlist, find Test 3, Module 2B, the harder set of reading and writing questions, and you can see these longer videos just above these shorter videos. Have a great day.